The next award conferred on East Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. Recognized for pioneering spatial-based visual planning for pre-poll and poll day operations, leading to one of the smoothest dispatch operations and better crisis management. इस श्रेणी में अगला पुरस्कार प्रदान किया जाता है जिला
Basically, SIR is the national exercise and it is in the first phase. After the Bihar, it is ongoing in the 12 states. So once the schedule will be announced, so Meghalaya, accordingly, when the schedule will come, we are also ready for rolling out the SIR in the state.
Okay.
And phase 12 states are currently ongoing SIR as per schedule of Election Commission of India. So rest of the state will go as per the schedule announced by the Election Commission of India.
Okay.
As per the transparency and the faith of the people is very important, and the guidelines are very much clear, and several preparatory activities has already been taken up in all the states as per instruction of the Election Commission. So we are also fully ready for the SIR. SIR is the one exercise and it is a little bit different from regular SSR, as during SIR the entire voter list has been verified and based on the instructions. So BLOs going door to door and as per the prescribed manner, they used to verify those entries in the voter list, and accordingly there is no appeal file in the state like Bihar, and certainly the process is going very smoothly in other states also. So it will bring the electoral roll very clean and pure and free of error. So that is the main purpose, and once the schedule will come, then Meghalaya will also do that. Very true, any award is the recognition of the good work, and since Lok Sabha election, especially the largest district in terms of number of constituencies, assembly segment especially, so East Khasi Hill have several logistic challenges and other thing, but they did very well, and entire election process, especially the Lok Sabha, went very well without any single repoll, and all the process went very smoothly, and we have voter increase also in the Silang Lok Sabha more than 5%. It is a remarkable achievement in all categories, all terms, where the election machinery performed very well, and it is a recognition of their good work at the national level. So it will really boost the entire election team Meghalaya for doing better.